Wow. Mr. Morris, if you go make something and sell it, have a market for him. You're too talented for sit down on it.
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today I'll be showing you how to make some dragon stout ice cream. So if that sounds interesting, stick around. You see, after the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing our waste, nothing our dash way.
And we are back. As I said before, we're making some dragon stout ice cream. Yeah man, I hit. Dragon stout, man, you know the thing go. This is one of my favorite drink, Hot. You see what I say? So these are the ingredients we need. We need that dragon stout. We have here 100 grams of confectioner sugar. Some call it powdered sugar, others call it icing sugar. You can opt to use the condensed milk, but I have two videos out on ice creams and I want to experiment with the confectioner sugar versus the condensed milk. I have here 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because we want to balance out everything. When you have salt with the sweet, it balances out to give you a nice taste on the palate. And we have 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Make sure it's whipping cream, not milk. Whipping cream, and I like to go for the 35%, right? And that is it that we need for this ice cream. It's just the technique that we're going to get down pat. So let's go. So the kickstart, we're going with the vanilla. Going with the salt to balance out everything. Going in with the sugar. This has already been sifted. So go down with the sugar. And as always, for the sugar, you can use less or more depending on how sweet you want your ice cream. That's the beauty about this homemade ice cream. So low speed, because I don't want anything splashing. Very low speed. And overmixing, I'm talking a lot, but I'm giving you valid information so you don't have to waste your ingredients. Overmixing will break the cream and turn it into butter. You don't want that. So once you see it start reaching to that nice stiff peak, that's your cue to stop. And you can have it like that, nice soft serve ice cream. I'll show you what that looks like. Dragon stout in. Beautiful. And then we're gonna whip until thickened. This thing here is overheating, so I'm gonna have to stop for now. And I have to add my mixture to my standing mixer because I don't want to burn my thing up. And now this is what we have. Nice soft serve there. We're just gonna pop this in our freezer. I like to put this in a glass container. Nice. Wrap that up properly. If you have one of those airtight containers, you're good to go. Don't want any air getting into this. When it's not a no churn, I like to freeze this for about 4 to 6 hours, nothing over. Anything over, sometimes I find the ice cream has a little bit of shards in there, like little ice particles, and we don't want that, right? So 4 to 6 hours, as I said, when you're making this ice cream, if you're gonna have Sunday dinner, you whip it up from in the morning from 9 a.m., right? Because it takes like 20 minutes to make, and then 4 hours, so 9 to 4 to 10 and 4. That's 2, yeah? So by 2, 3 o'clock you have dessert, right? And you don't just make enough to have for that day. Don't make it and leave it in the freezer, because I said chances are it will get very hard and you don't want that. It's like a quick ice cream type of vibe. So there you go. You sweeten it to your liking and you're good to go. Pop this in the freezer. After 4 hours or 6 hours, we'll come back, dig into it and show what it looks like. All right. Time to reveal the ice cream. With some hot water. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Wow. Ooh. One more scoop. That's the Dragon Stout ice cream. Beautiful. Time to dig in. Iconic. Let's say I go on.
Oh my God, you can't tell it. The real ice cream we buy at Jamaica. Like 1,500 like half case. Tastes like beer milk and water. This ice cream that tastes so good.
What kind of ice cream then?
Tastes like Dragon Stout. Wow.
Yeah, the taste buds that work. I told me to take out and we have to try to make it kind of milk.
No wrong with it. Wow. Mr. Maurice, if you go make something and sell it, have a market for him. You're too talented for sit down on it.
Yourself, man. At time do it thing, you know?
I saw me love see me son, look, you look nice and look. I saw me love see your face shine.
Time do it thing, yourself,
and look
man.
good.
I one day you see me make you happy, so?
No.
That was very, very refreshing. Not too sweet, not too strong with the dragon. As I said, this is not a paid promotion. I made this video from 2020 on my TikTok account, but never realized that I didn't put a tutorial here on my YouTube channel. So if you did enjoy this video and you know about Dragon Stout ice cream, leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, I make it freeze up a little bit more. And we have to go eat 2 more scoops, man. Tell you, it is tough. Try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.